A lady called me and said she saw Doris Ogala when she went to visit somebody at the first CID, that she was there. So I'm kind of wondering why, how she ended up at the first CID. And remember the post I made on the King of the Game, where I said that it's not Chris. I'm sure it's Chris, because the issue, the department, the unit that's handling the case, they say it's gender-based unit that's handling the case. Now, which means they use the agency that gave her her maid to trap her. They entrapped her, then presented their real motive. Because yesterday, while those people were there, where they came, nothing will happen for us, for safety, forget, nothing will happen to her. The agency that gave her the maid, that was what she told me yesterday. She told me, please don't escalate the matter. That was why I didn't do any video on it yesterday. Okay? Yes, that was why I refused to do any video on it yesterday. Now, she told me that it is about her girl. Of course, you know, I've been going to her place, you know, trying to cheer her up and make sure she falls in line. You know, she doesn't do anything irrational. Then they've been telling her, those people, they say they rotate maids. Like 2 weeks, that person will go to a different home, then they'll bring another person. And I've advised her. So all these agencies, you people are, you know, like, I don't even understand what you need a maid at home for as a woman. Believe me, as a woman, I don't know what you need a maid for. You can contract people to help you do one or two things, but you have to be keeping yourself busy. Okay? Somebody said, I went to see my brother at the office there and saw her, but I think I will be returning back to know the main issue. It is this issue. It's definitely going to be about Chris, because if it's not about Chris, it's probably about Chris, or certainly. You know, we are not very sure, air quotes that sure, but who else will take her to that place? I'm coming to that place, that one yet. The girl that they used to open that door was somebody that gave her that maid. And that was why she opened that door. Which means these people are so uncomfortable that they went and searched. You know, I told you people, they have a large network. And what is that network? Christians. It is your normal Christians that they will use. These church members, their networks are nothing more. That is why you have them. You have branches everywhere. And it didn't start with them. This is the same reason they started the Roman Catholic Church. This is the same reason they started the Anglican Church. This is the same reason they started any organized religion, because you use it to control the masses. Every single person there is just like a Chinese. Every Chinese you see in your country works with their MSS. Okay? Every Chinese person you see works with their MSS. They are giving information back home. Okay? Are you understanding me? Now, that person that brought the maid, yes, I will use maid, to her, is probably believing she is working for God. And this is how they will use their connection. Now, you know why me, I don't get friend, though. I don't get friend because those same people you call friends are the people they will be using as soft targets. They will be the soft targets they will use to enter you. It's either they compromise them with money, or they catch them doing one illegal thing. And in order not to expose them, they will blackmail them into giving them access to you. Are you understanding how these things work? Open your eye. If you are an employer, you are an owner of a corporation, a CEO or whatever, it is the people around you that they will use as soft target to get to you. Learn this now. Now, Doris told me yesterday to not escalate it. That I should not escalate the matter. I should, because she thought it's a simple thing. Because this is how it starts. They'll be telling you, there is no problem. It is when you get there. Because most of them, you see, these people are not people you will trust with anything. Are you understanding me? But the upside to this is, when Doris comes back, because she's going to come back, she's going to come out. When she comes out, this one will even anger her the more. Maybe we will now hear the real issue about the baby testimony. You see that first CID there? Okay, now ask yourself. She's under a gender-based issue, right? So why arrest her, take her to court, so she'll come there to defend herself? It's a civil matter. It's a civil matter. Take her to court. That first CID you are talking about, there is a DIG there that these politicians and the IPO bingos with their pastors, especially the one they call evangelists in Lagos, the one you are like this. You know Hezekiah. This Hezekiah Onukog that ran away from his case now. The AGK app that he used is from there. And I've gotten the name of some. Remember, I told you somebody gave me the name of one DIG they're using. I'm telling you, he's going to be involved in this case. Bet me. That DIG will be. And anyway, now Doris go make herself a soft target. Now Doris go leave herself open. Just like what Samuel Okoye said. Like, why? What is your business with you, Nnamdi Kanu? The same Nnamdi Kanu that they brought Emmanuel wanted to buy you, and we are the ones that saved you from him. We are the ones that saved you from him. Then you went and you reposted a video. This one, I'm blaming Doris now. You went and reposted a video attacking Deputy Speaker, telling him that he was there, they arrested, they gave him the kind of life imprisonment. What do you think they were giving him? Shawarma? Pizza? A home? Oil well? No, what were they supposed to give such a terrorist? Do you think you love Nnamdi Kanu more than the Deputy Speaker? Are you telling me that the Deputy Speaker is not one of the people that are calling for the release of Nnamdi Kanu? But they will not use this thing. Every Igbo person listening to me, now pay attention. Separate yourself from anything Biafra. It will only bring you pain and destruction. There is no gain to it. The only people gaining from Biafra are the politicians using it to divert your attention from the job they are not doing. The criminals that are inside the bush. The criminals inside the bush. Buying people. The ones eating humans. The ones collecting ransom money. These are the only people anything Biafra favors. As only Igbo. Once you join yourself with this Biafra nonsense, anybody can destroy you with it. Imagine a whole me. They went and took a 6-minute video of me addressing the IPO bingos. When I went to confront them, they ran away. Their leaders ran away. So the other ones there, they were friendly. I talked to them in a friendly way. They edited it to 2 minutes and used to lie to them at the villa at Asorok that I'm an IPO member. How much more you? How much more you posting this? And you think they are not going to use it against you? This one say why are you diverting from the case? Which case at hand? Come on, big nonsense as she also. Which case at hand? So you don't know it's linked with this thing? Then you've made Asoni Igbo. Biafra will destroy you in Nigeria. The only thing you will get from there is pain. And you people, religion has finished your brains. You see this religious mindset? This is why you people cannot finish anything. You will always do it halfway. You love something, you love someone, love him to the end. You hate somebody, hate him to the end. Thank you, Chimeze. You hate someone, hate the person to the end. Now, and that move by Doris, once she comes out, I will tell her, please, count me out of this matter. Since you can't even reason. Why are you posting such a video? Eh? So how do I go to the force headquarters now, or the DSS, to tell them that, oh, these people are oppressing you, this and that, and those people will present this video? So what do you think I will say again if they present it? And these pastors know. These pastors know. They will not write it on that, But all the big people that will come for the matter, they will show them, oh, she's supporting this thing. And they will just withdraw. If not because of my persistence. And that many of your guys know me very well. And they pushed hard for it. If not because of it, I will not come out by now. And now why then they run Kitikata? Their Lagos pastor, 2026, he will finish. They say that this Benjamin and that judge, they do their nonsense. I just they laugh them. The last court, don't know what they did. You will file a new this thing. You got to get a new bail. I just they laugh their judge inside their people. I just they laugh them inside court. Then I say, okay, now you have to go and verify the shorties. You think my shorties are not verified? This I'm using fake shorty. This is how they function. They use the politicians. All of them, this is how they work. All these your church compounds you see are polling units. All those polling units, they are rigging every single ballot there. They are rigging every single ballot. Now you know why they are joined at the hip with the politicians. Are you understanding it now? So do not leave yourself open for any attack by these criminals. I'm giving you the antidote to their nonsense. These people are powerless, all of them. Everybody knows that Doris doesn't support this their nonsense. She doesn't. Nnamdi Kanu had to pay her to leave Emmanuel Kanu alone. Yes. Say Nami Tokam. Doris is not an IPOB member. She is not any IPOB supporter. All this nonsense she did. Let me tell you what it is. Is this thing that anybody they are attacking, the person will go and start supporting bingos. So the bingos will be defending the person online. And whomever gave him that advice hate him. Whomever gave her that advice hates her. That's why I'm telling you, Umuibo, distance yourself from anything via fraud. It's never going to earn you anything but destruction, pain. It is only in your mind. It's in your thoughts that the adrenaline ends. But on application, it will destroy you wherever you go. Somebody will not even reach you, go use and deal with you. All they need to do is say, you're supporting Nnamdi Kanu. Yes. And it will come from the same your politicians that are using IPOB. Look at what they did to Mio. Look at what they did to Mio, which is in Spain. That is the exact blueprint they are using everywhere. Nnamdi Kanu sister, the one that was in the police. Chineke ya mere ebe Obu no je will carry within 3 days. That transfer. Hi. She for no command for police. That transfer. That they are using her to arrest former IPOB members just to say, I know they do again. Everything you did for them that time, they will still use it to arrest you. Which people arrested Akwara and who gave the DSS data command the information about Akwara? You said the video was the one. My video that they doctored and shared was since 2020. And you are talking the one of when, which yesterday, that they sentenced to the experiment. Which day did Onyoshi go to Sokoto? So how do I go now, meet one guy and say this? They will still go use this one to counter it. Okay, if there is a petition, take it to court. Let them go defend themselves in court. Anyways, I heard Showere is going there. Maybe when he gets there, we will know how far. See another pattern they use. Now that we have mentioned that she said, they will now go take her to one police station. They will now remove her from the first CID, take her to go mark this thing. I know them now. I know all those things. These are the corrupt policemen that are bringing bad name to the police. Those of you that are insulting me because I'm telling you that the Tiger base must remain there as the bedrock against insecurity in Imo State. Have you seen this one now? All the people that are fighting against Tiger base, you won't see them talk about this corruption. You won't see them talk about this evil happening now. You want to fight corruption in the police? This is what you should be fighting. But because it's your pastors. Like, how do you think you support your pastors when you did and you say you want evil to end? How is that evil going to end? Chimeze said, Ijele, my point is those circulating, recirculating the videos are using it for blackmail purposes. Video where Doris share for her page. Video where Doris share for her page. You know, they understand what I talk. No, being a big, of course, me former Cassandra. If you are getting it, yes, even though she's a bingo. You haven't seen her supporting sit at home. Do you know? You saw this nonsense Igbo brain, lower Niger mentality where they worry them. Doris is a victim of religion, in case you don't know. And an average Igbo man, your woman, is a victim of brainwash. Until you clear everything in your brain. I've told you, if you want to be okay, check whatever your leaders are doing and supporting. Do the exact opposite and you'll be just fine. So this is what they are going to hang on. Chris knows say Doris whole lamb for peace. He knows say Doris whole lamb. But whichever one is happening, know that your pastors are powerless first. None of them has a single power. Name that person. There is no single power in them. Ndoshi. All of them, Ndoshi. Why don't they call down fire and burn Doris? And Cassie. The same Cassie when me and Showere go save for these people's hand. The same Cassie. Cassie will not say he's the one that wrote that post about Doris. If Cassie cannot sit down with me here and compose a similar text, maybe they don't write to give him a they post, showing you he works for the same people that nearly jailed him. That told him to go and plead guilty. Cassie, do you think if you had pleaded guilty that day, that by now, like you could still get extra 10 years to spend in jail? I violated the law of the court because of Cassie. Ask him. His friend that was in court that day, where is Bishop? Ask that one they call Bishop that lives in Port Harcourt. Ask Bishop. When Cassie said, pleaded guilty, I said, huh? Inside the court. I said, huh? It's like he got himself. Then he started pleading not guilty, not guilty. Out of 14 to 16 charges read for him, they're almost the same thing. But he had pleaded guilty on one. Then went and pleaded not guilty on other similar charges that look like that one. And I give credit to his lawyer, who said, please, my lord, I'm not sure the defendant understands that count. Please read it for him again, because the count is the same thing with so count. Now they read it for him. He pleaded not guilty. Now all of a sudden they just doing it, and Shore entered there that time. Now Shore was there. I had a bus stop, not a bus stop, because his lawyer ran away. I was pursuing the lawyer. He ran away from the Federal High Court, Abuja. He disappeared. This same Cassie typing this nonsense. So what, Cassie, why are you saying she's in Lagos when you know she's not in Lagos? To what end? To what end? Who are you trying to protect? Who are you? Whose interests are you defending by making such statement? Okay, you think we are fools. When we hear that he says she's in Lagos, we will run kitty katarati. She's in Lagos. It's one lady that just informed us where she is. And one bingo that I blocked here. You see their problem. You love it when I'm exposing the pastors, but you don't like it when I'm exposing you on the canon and the evil of IPOB. My only crime on this social media is consistency, because I will always be consistent in condemning evil. I don't care which one you are choosing. You know, some people, they do evil like Chinese buffet. Somebody that calls himself a pastor, but he's a predator. I want to give that Cassie food too. I went to see him at I think it's the same for CID. I visited him there. And the same you now just joined the pastors to oppress and our people. You see, some people will be saying, oh, this one, the way you hating the. Well, no, I'm trying to tell you that you are living a rotten culture. This generation of Ndibu, the worst people. Everywhere in the south, petrol is how much? Go to southeast and see how much they are selling petrol. Go to the southeast now and see how much they are selling petrol. And you people are not even taking cognizance of what is happening around you. Name that evil. Name that evil happening in Nigeria. The southeast will be its headquarters. Name one. Corruption. Really? How many roads in the southeast are built by local government chairmen? The places with the least functioning local government system is southeast number 1, south number 2, north central number 3. And that's not central. Now the lower part of north central. Yes, now. Yes. Let me block one Ozu. You people can cry from night to tomorrow. I will keep telling you the bitter truth. How much is petrol in Onitsha? Some people still they say 900. 900. Somebody said, but the question is, would Doris had come out to start all these confessions if the Pastor Chris don't listen? Whatever led to the truth coming out should not be your concern, unless you are a hypocrite. Whatever led to the truth coming out should not be your concern, unless you are a hypocrite or you are incapable of reasoning well. What business do you have with why he is saying that thing? No, okay. Does this your view? Let's say it is because she didn't, he didn't marry her anymore. Does that invalidate the point? Does that invalidate the point? Who is this Abuego Luke? 500, which not say, don't come here and type this rubbish here again. Which Oka is selling 500? Let me delete this your useless comment. If you comment it again, I'll block you. Which Oka is selling 500? Gigi Diaries. So what? So fucking what? Does that invalidate that your pastor is a he-goat? The same person you people are worshiping that he hears from God. Does that invalidate it? Like, what is the meaning? Like, what is the meaning behind this your useless comment now? Eh? What is the reason for this your useless comment now? Like, what has that got to do with the information on the ground? Oh, it's because they don't. So what? So fucking what? But you are not getting the truth. Why don't you people think? Why are you people stupid? Why are you stupid? Gigi Diaries, why are you mad? You just keep repeating what you're hearing from this idiot without asking, where are these people, all these excuses, where are they coming from? This is not even your original thought. It's because you hear people asking it, you join the bandwagon. We block one also. Who else go arrest her if not the pastors? Who else go arrest her if not the pastors? They tell you, say she did for CID under gender-based crime. So who do you think it will be? If no, be Pastor, camera down. I don't understand the problem of people. You are not asking the validity of the accusation. And there is another one she said people are not paying attention to, which she said they should open that altar. That they buried something there. And you and I know that we've caught pastors in Nigeria that buried human beings on their altars. You should try to find out if what she meant was human being. Try to find out if, because she just made that statement on Cat Truth and it was the trailer. The next day, all the while she was saying everything, nobody said anything. But the time she talked about the Interpol, the Azamoni, and that altar, are you not understanding that they are pushing your attention away from that altar? So if at the end of the day, they eventually find a human remain on that altar, you will still be telling us, oh, she said it because they don't have. Listen to what the person is saying. You are not going immediately to motive. Oh, it's because. Oh, not because. Oh, they don't give her this one. Oh, she is telling you most of the things you hear from her, you've not heard it from anybody. This one said, man have rights to sleep with any woman. Do you know why no woman go come out now? They announce to people, say, Ijele sleep with them. The only people will check, we say, you know. Because they will tell you, Ijele never tell you, say, him be a righteous holy man. Of course, me, I don't know anything where they bad with sleeping with woman. No. A man sleeping with a woman, adult, no. There is no problem there. But it's these people that are telling you that they are hearing from God and you should not do it. Then they are doing it. Are you understanding where we are going? You people will always find a reason to defend these criminals. Of course, the fake healing with hand now. So for the person saying, oh, what is wrong in sleep? There is not, this is the same thing we've been preaching to people. There is nothing wrong with a man sleeping with a woman, if not be RAPE. If not be RAPE. But your pastor is telling you that he is holy. His eyes cannot behold iniquity. He is seeing from God. That God told him he doesn't eat. He's always in the spirit. He is this, is that. And the same person has been exposed as even doing worse than you yourself will not be man of God. You yourself will not be man of God. He knock woman pass you. They are telling you that the new wife is the daughter of the choir coordinator. Now, where you will be having issues with Doris is if Chris is suing her for defamation, in the sense that, oh, you said this lady is pregnant. No, she's not. And the people, when they tell on her, the abstinence, no, is that marriage? You go marry woman, you no test them. Go they buy electronics, you not tested. Are you okay? Maybe not the one where they don't spoil the womb, where you go for them. They go give her to you. Say no test, just carry go. If you cannot confidently go to Alaba, buy television without testing it, why you go marry woman without testing it? Then you go come reach fast, you come there for bed now. That one will go there like this. You don't do finish. Now you go to ask you, woman, where you dey for? You go marry. Now that time you can't say the bread no good. Downstream, they smell. How you go take marry? The same man now no go even marry the one where you never test to. My people see, make we know they let people they whine also. My anger not the whining. My anger not the whining. You know how many priests, I mean Catholic priests wey me know their girlfriends. You know how many babes why I know. In fact, I never meet any girl where priest or pastor never knock or one knock am. Unless say she no gree. You know, I never meet one. I swear, you see all the women where they watch us here. Every single woman where they here, unless that one no fine. You know get one where never knock priest, pastor, evangelist or whatever. Or you know, in fact, let me put it this way, you know get one where they never approach. Only say some of them go say, no, I don't want to sin against God. She go dey disappointed, say man of God go do that, you know, but inside her mind, she go say, nah, devil tempt her. I won't let the devil use me to destroy a man of God. Look at the way they receive. But I'm telling you, if you hear that there is a fire outbreak in the church of Pastor Chris, or you hear that they are doing renovation in that church and it has to do with the other side, my people, my people, I no go talk past this one. Just watch them. If you hear said in the renovate church, Joyce, yes, so they no get power now. No only on top altar they hear power move. Faces where you know they see now in their power they hear. If they tell you say they pray, somebody buy, go check them. They don't go send assassins to go buy the person. This thing you are seeing is an act of desperation. Okay? It's an act of desperation. But that year, you know, okay, one big father, they come our lodge, spend like 1 week indoors with steady generator. You see him? You see him? You see him? Ha. You say, Ijele, are you advocating that we should test the downstream? Yes, so yes. Anything where you want back, test and first. Test and first. Women, you too. Many of us they cheat for marriage today now because we no test the man we wanna marry. Okay? Now because we no test the man we wanna marry. Now what you make una see the cheat because when you come marry, you see say the meanwhile be don't date person where be imagine car park where escalate the park before you can't carry motorcycle one enter the how. How? Where you go marry man finish. No action. Nothing. Test and first too. Test and first. See the pastors where they tell you make you no test now. Them know they buy non-tested though. And they go first chop egusi, chop onubu, chop okra, chop black soup. My brother see me endoka. How you go you know what test in a go? My people, I beg before we use our shall we talk.